Now joining me live on the broadcast to decode how the markets have reacted as the Mega GST gift has come in is in fact my pleasure to also announce and introduce my guest coming in at this point of time. Mitali Nokore is a senior economist, and Ankur Chaudhary, who is also an economist, joined me live. Both of you, appreciate you joining me this morning. Appreciate, in fact, Mitali for staying with us, for decoding all things right of markets and finances. Starting up with you, Mitali. Now, we were speaking yesterday. I remember that you have also highlighted the fact how, this has been much in the talks. You also predicted that it is slowly and gradually going to bring in more relief, as we all expected what are going to be the sectors which are going to, in fact, see a big relaxation, those who are also, in fact, be impacted. Now we see that markets have also reacted in a rather happy manner, as Nifty is up by 150 points. The bonanza has also yielded a much, in fact, good outcome from the markets. How do you decode the pulse of it, Mitali?
No, absolutely. Thanks a lot for having me on the show as always. And I think there are two or three trends which are very, very critical that we should, look at a high level. The first trend is really that this is about relief to the common person. I mean, when we look at which commodities have been eased up, we can see that all food related products have been eased up, all health related products have been eased up, and then education related products again have been rationalized. So all of these three categories of food, health, education going down from an 18 or 12% to a 5%, or even to a 0% when it comes to some of the life saving drugs and even some of the food items. The second big thing is really around insurance, and the fact that health and life insurance will now be at 0% GST means that anything which the government is considering as essential expenditure is coming into the lowest possible bracket, and really incentivizing consumers to go ahead and get their health insurances and their life insurances to provide that backup to people. And the third is, what does this mean for the economy and for consumption, right? Because when you ease up some of these categories, and even cars going from say a 28% to a 18% for most auto components and auto sector, now these are very important consumption decisions coming at the back of the highest consumption season, the Diwali coming up. It's a double boost in a sense to the consumption expenditure in the economy, and can have an impact of GDP of even up to 0.5%, offsetting the negative impact that's coming from a lot of the geopolitical dynamics that are happening on the trade side. So all in all, a very, very positive development.
Absolutely, as in fact, Mitali, yesterday as well, you also kind of put the emphasis on the fact that it means more money in hand. And I'll pick it up from there as well. Mr. Ankur Chaudhary continues to be with us. Appreciate you, sir, also joining us on this